It's so sad when I'm out in a restaurant. Oh, I better go.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southern Little River County in
There you go.
southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Hempstead County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Millett County in southwestern Arkansas,
Okay, let's.
in Louisiana.
Nope.
7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. It's 6:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Miles west of Richmond to near Hooks to near Maud, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Texarkana, Wake Village, Ashdown, New... For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas, Bowie and Cass, and the following counties in Arkansas, Hempstead, Little River, and Miller.